Assalamu alaikum students 3 and 4 class. I hope you will be fine. Students, as you know, we have started grammar, and in grammar we studied about tense. In previous video students, I told you about tenses, that how many tenses. Again I wanna tell you that there are 3 tenses. How many tenses? 3. And there are 4 types of each tense. Clear? And we are doing present tense, and the second branch of present is present continuous tense. Here you can see here, and as you know, in previous video we studied about simple sentences, negative sentences. Clear? And today we will do interrogative sentences and negative plus interrogative. So first of all, I will tell you that how many helping verbs of present continuous tense, and which form we use, tense structure, then example we will do, and then negative plus interrogative sentences I will tell today. So first of all, the helping verb are 3 helping verb. As you know, how many helping verb? 3. Is, are, am. How many helping verbs? Is, are, am. 3 helping verbs. As you know that is we use with singular, am we use with I, and are we use with plural things. Here mean you are, they, we. These are plural. And next form of verb, we use first form plus ing in present continuous tense. Clear students? Now structure we will see that how we will create sentences of interrogative sentences. First of all, you know, when the sentence is interrogative mean kya when come in start of the sentence, we use helping verb in the start of the sentence. You know that interrogative mean sawaliya fikre, means in this tense the question is asked. Clear? Now first of all, helping verbs mean is, are, am, and subject. Subject, you know that what is subject, I told you in previous video. Next first form and plus ing. Clear? Plus object and plus question mark. In the last of the sentence, what we will put? Question mark in present continuous tense of interrogative sentences. Students, in negative sentence and simple sentences we use full stop in the last of the sentence. Now the pattern is changed. Why? Because in interrogative sentences we use question mark. For instance, क्या असलम फूल तोड़ रहा है? In the last of the sentence question mark. Students, if you will not put question mark, so 1 marks will be deduct in sentences. So you have to put question mark in the last of the sentence in Urdu and English as well. So now we will create, first of all we have to see structure, that first of all what we will use, helping verbs. Helping verbs, which helping verb we will use here, is, am, or are. First of all we will see there that the sentence is singular or plural. Kya aslam, so here aslam is singular, we will use is. Is aslam pluck, फूल तोड़ना, pluck is first form, and we will use here ing. Is aslam plucking the flowers? In the last of the sentence question mark you will put. Clear students? Now second sentence is क्या वो सवाल निकाल रहे हैं? It means that क्या वो सवाल हल कर रहे हैं? Sentence is in English are, because there are plurals वो. And in the last of the sentence there is हैं. Are they solving the sum? तुम मछलियाँ पकड़ रहे हो. Here तुम mean you. We will use here are with you. Are you catching fish? In the last of the sentence question mark. क्या मैं पतंग उड़ा रहा हूँ? Here am, you know that we use I for मैं. Am I flying kites? Clear students? Interrogative sentences, that how we will use helping verb in the start, and then subject, then first form, and then object in the last of the sentence question mark. Now we will do negative and interrogative sentences. Students, negative and interrogative sentences, both thing we use. Mean negative mean manfi, mean nahi we will use, and interrogative means sawaliya. It means that we will use kya or nahi. both word we will use in Urdu sentences and we will create. The structure is, first of all we will use helping verbs. Helping verb, you know that is MR, and after helping verb we will use subject, and after subject we will use not. Clear? And then form verb and object. In the last of the sentence, question mark. So let's see that how we will create. First sentence is, क्या वो शोर नहीं कर रहा है? Clear? Here students, you can see both word we have used here. First is kya and in second word is nahi. It means that this tense is negative plus interrogative. Now we will create first kya wo. Is he not? After subject what we will use? Not. Is he not making a noise? And in the last of the sentence, question mark. क्या तुलबा वक्त ज़ाया नहीं कर रहे हैं? आर दी स्टूडेंट्स नॉट वेस्टिंग देयर टाइम? क्या वो सच नहीं बोल रहा है? इज़ ही नॉट स्पीकिंग ट्रूथ? In the last of the sentence, question mark. You can see here, first we have used here helping verb, then subject, and after subject we have used not, then form verb, and then object. In the last of the sentence, question mark. Clear students? Now students, in this lecture I told you about interrogative and negative plus interrogative sentences. Helping verb I have told you, form verb, structure. First of all you have to learn these things, then you will create maximum 7 to 8 sentences, negative and negative plus interrogative, negative plus interrogative sentences. Clear students? Now our this tense has been completed, and in this next video we will start next tense. Clear students? Allah Hafiz.